Namaste to everyone. Okay, sit in any comfortable pose. Close your eyes. Keep your palms on your knees in Jnana or Chin Mudra or whatever you prefer for yourself. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep breath in. Join your both palms together in front of your heart. Slowly bow down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. And then gently open your eyes, remove your palms. So everybody remember what we have done yesterday. Ashtanga Sun Salutation A and B. So let's begin it. Come in front of a mat, stand in Samasthiti. Take 1 feet distance from a mat. Both feet together, knees together, roll your shoulders up, back and down. Open your heart. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Udvikshasana. To exhale, go forward down. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. And hold there for 5 counts to Ujjayi breathing. Rub your throat. Do not inhale, normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front or walk front into halfway look up, Urdhuttanasana. Exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up to Ikshasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round again, you come inhale, to exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam, inhale. To exhale. Ready, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Again, hold 1, look at your navel point. 2, roll your shoulders out. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale. To exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Cut, exhale. Again, hold. 1. Keep pressing yourself towards your leg. 2, 3. Push your hips towards the ceiling. 4 and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. 5th and last round, again, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. 3D, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. 5 counts, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head, bend your both knees and come for the Utkatasana, chair pose. Do not cross your toes with your knees. Do exhale, go forward, fold. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, lift your right leg up high in the air and then bring your right leg front between your both palms for Warrior A. Hold into Warrior A, keep your front feet 90, front leg 90, back feet slightly 5 degrees in. Do not lift your left feet, keep pushing your pelvis down. 2, 3, Drishti should be on your thumbs. Angushta Madhya Drishti. 4 and 5. Exhale again, go back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front between your both palms for Warrior A. Do not directly put your leg front. First lift your leg up high and then bring your leg front. 1, same thing. Left leg 90 degree, right feet 5 degrees in. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again go back to the Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, bend your both knees. Inhale and jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round again, Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up for Utkatasana. Do exhale, go fully forward fold. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, lift your right leg up and bring your right leg front for Warrior A again. Again, hold into Warrior A for 5 seconds. Try to push yourself more further now, more deep into the posture. Keep pushing your pelvis down. Try to make your front leg 91. Rotate your left thigh inwards. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ashto, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, upward facing dog. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, lift your left leg up high in the air and bring your left leg front between your both palms for Warrior A from your left leg. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Again, hold for 5 counts. 1, look at your navel point. Keep yourself pressing. Reach your tailbone high. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up. Utkatasana, and exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do third round. Again, Ekam, inhale, bend your knees, raise your arms up. Dve, exhale, go fully forward down. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Front leg 90. Back feet again 5 degrees in. Open your arms and look at your right hand. Warrior B, everybody. Again, hold 1. Look at your right hand. 2, 3. Very nice. 4 and 5. Exhale, again jump back into Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, upward facing dog. Dasa, exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasa, lift your left leg up and bring your left leg front for warrior B and make warrior B from your left leg. And hold for 5 seconds. 1. Keep your both hands and shoulders in one line. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round of warrior B. Again, Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, lift your right leg up. Bring your right leg front for warrior B. Again, hold into warrior B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Astu, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your left leg. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale. Chaturdasa, exhale. Again, hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panchdasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, all the way come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale. Bend your both knees, chair pose. Dve, exhale. Tredi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior C. Now balance yourself on your right leg. Lift your left leg up. your whole upper body and your left leg, it should be in one line. You can take support of your fingertips if you cannot find your balance. And if you can find your balance, you can just straight your arms front and look front. Hold one, focus at one point. Keep looking at something, some point where you can find your focus and your balance. 2, keep your right leg straight. And if you cannot make your right leg straight, you can just slightly micro bend your knee. 3, very nice. 4 and 5, press your palms and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha, and exhale, Adho Now bring your left leg front, Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for Warrior C. Now balance on your left leg. Again, same, upper body and right leg should be in one line. Focus at one point, front, and find your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adho downward facing dog. Now everyone come for the plank pose. Push your shoulder blades away from each other. Engage your core. Body should be in one line. Exhale, Chaturanga. Make Chaturanga. If you cannot make Chaturanga, you can use your knees, support of your knees, and lift your chest up. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Okay, second round again. Come for plank pose. Come into the plank pose. Lean yourself. Very nice. Exhale, Chaturanga. Make Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Third round again. Come for plank pose. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Fourth round again. Come for the plank pose. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, lift yourself up for upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Fifth round again, come for plank. Exhale, Chaturanga, very nice everybody. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Sixth round, we will hold now. Come for the plank and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, Chaturanga, make Chaturanga everybody. Take support of your knees, hold for 3 seconds. 1, do not lay down, lift your chest. 2, 3. Inhale, upward facing dog. Lift your thighs up in upward facing dog. Hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, roll your shoulders. 3, very nice. Exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. Just normalize your breath. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Normalize your heartbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front for halfway look up. Okay, now bend your both knees, everybody. Bend your knees, keep your belly, wait. Bend your knees, keep your belly on your thighs. And inhale, straight your arms front, try to lengthen your spine. Not like this. See everybody, keep your belly on your thighs, keep your spine straight and back, and just stretch your arms front. It should be look like a T, okay? T shape, like this. Hold 1. You can take support of your thighs, very nice. 2, hold it there, keep lengthening your spine. 3, straight your arms, do not lean forward from your hands. Keep your both hands beside your ear. 4, 5, exhale, go fully forward down. Now we will do same thing, but we will keep our knees straight, okay? We will lengthen again our spine, but we will keep our knees straight. Okay, again, come for the Urdhva Uttanasana. Both arms front and keep your knees straight. Now you have to keep your knees straight and make a L shape. Hold 1, very nice. Stretch arms front, 2, 3, 4, keep stretching your arms front, lift your hands up, don't drop your hands down. 5, turn to the right side, same, stay here, and just turn towards the right side. Okay, take your hands and turn towards the right and hold 1. सलोनी जी थोड़ा सा और प्रेस करिए अपनी स्पाइन को, कर्व आ रहा है स्पाइन में. यस. 1, hold. Right side, everybody. 2, 3, 4, Meenas ji, keep your knees straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, come front. Hold for 5 seconds in front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to the left side and hold for last 8 seconds. 8, look front, Saloni ji, look front. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, come front. Last 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, come for the Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Do Kati Chakrasana. Just shake your legs. Okay, so today we are gonna do the first pose. So I will tell you, anybody can guess which is the first pose of Ashtanga primary series. Yes, okay. So
I don't remember the name, but holding the toes in front,
yes,
bending in front.
yes. Yeah, you are right, holding the toes, but the name is Padangusthasana. Okay.
Yes.
Remember the name, guys. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So come for the Padangusthasana, first pose. Come for the Samasthiti on your mat. Ekam, inhale, jump, open your legs, keep your both palms on your waist. Open your legs hip distance apart or your shoulders apart. Okay. Dagmar, little bit less according to your shoulders, your legs will open. Okay. Both toes front. Do not open your feet right or left. Your feet should be front, facing front. Exhale, go forward down. Go forward from your hip joint. Keep your spine straight. Do not bend your spine and go forward. Okay. Move front from your hip joint. Grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Properly grab your big toes. You have to grab your big toes like this. Okay. You will not grab like this, like this. You have to grab like this properly. Okay. Inhale, straight your spine, lengthen your spine, push your lumbar down, open your chest as much as you can. If you cannot do, then you can just try with bending your knees. If you cannot do with straight knees, you can try with bending knees. Okay. And exhale, bend your both elbows outside and look between your both legs and push your spine down. Go like this. And hold 1. Do not try to reduce the curve from your spine. 2, feel the stretch on your calf muscles, on your hamstring. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, release your palms. Keep your palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, jump back into Samasthiti, both feet. So this is Padangusthasana. So we will go for the next pose, Padhastasana. Okay, again, Ekam inhale, bend, jump, open your both legs, shoulder width apart. Keep your both palms on your waist. Exhale, bend forward, fully forward down. Keep your both palms under your feet properly. You should keep your both palms under your feet like this. Inhale again, straight your both elbows, lengthen your spine. Look front, everybody. And exhale, bend your both elbows and go fully forward down and look between your both legs. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, straight your elbows, exhale, release your palms from your waist, from your feet, and keep your palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up, and exhale, jump back into Samasthiti. Shake your legs and prepare yourself for the next pose, Utthit Trikona Asana. Okay, now send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. No, not left leg, right leg. We always send our right leg, okay? Send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart. Okay, I'll show you if anybody doesn't know. Send your right leg 4.5. Turn towards the right side. While swinging your leg, you have to turn the right toe out and left toe in, okay? Do not square your hips, keep your hips front. Inhale, while swinging your leg also, you have to come for the position, okay? Like this, with inhale. Exhale, lean forward. Do not directly go down. Just first stretch yourself, lean yourself to the right side, okay? And then exhale, go fully forward down, keep your knee straight and grab your big toe from your first two finger. If you cannot, like you are feeling so much stretch on your thighs and calf muscles, you can use your palm, use your sing bone also. If you can grab your big toe. Inhale, left arm up and look at your left palm and hold 1. Keep pushing your hips inside. Your hips will go back. You have to push inside. You have to rotate your chest, open your chest and look up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now listen carefully. Exhale, look down. Do not come up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, all the way come up and change your side. Now left toe out and right toe in. Left toe out, right toe in. Again, exhale, first lean to the left side and then exhale, go forward down. And inhale, look at your upper palm and hold for 5 seconds more. Saloni ji, thoda leg ka distance badhaiye. 1, increase the distance between your leg. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, walk front into Samasthiti, or step back into Samasthiti. Yes, so where we have started, we again come back at the same side. Okay, so now next pose, revolve triangle pose, Parivartit Trikonasana. Guys, at the last of the month, you have to just give the class, so remember the names, okay? Again, send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart. Both arms, open your both arms by the side. Exhale, twist yourself, square your hips and keep your hips square now, right side. Right toe out, left toe in. Saloni, left toe go in. Haan. Now exhale, keep your left palm out of your right feet. You have to twist yourself, okay? Now you have to keep your left palm out of your right feet. If you cannot keep your left palm out, you can just place your left palm on your sing bone as well. Okay, keep your left palm out of your left feet and inhale. Try to find your balance and look up. Hold 1. Nice. Look at your upper palm. the right palm, which is over your head. Look up. 2. Greg, you have to place another hand on your leg, okay? Your right leg will go back. Right toe out, left toe in. Everybody just relax. Everyone relax for a few seconds. No. See, Greg, you send your right leg back like this, okay? Send your right leg back and then turn yourself to the right side, right toe out and left toe slightly in. Yes. Now raise your left arm, and twist yourself. Look here how I am twisting myself. Twist yourself like this. And place your left arm on your shin bone. Yes, correct. Turn to the left side, right side twist. Then show from the front, okay? So my right leg is front, it's okay. My right leg is front and I'm twisting my left arm to the right side. And then I'm placing my left palm on my right leg or out of the right leg, wherever you can want. Yes. And right arm up. Okay. Okay, now slowly exhale, look down, inhale, all the way come up again. Everyone come back into the position. Okay, now left toe out, right toe in. Now exhale with exhalation. Keep your right palm out of your left feet and left arm over your head and hold for 5 seconds. 1, look at your left palm. 2, 3, very nice everyone. 4 and 5. Exhale, look down, inhale, come up and step front into Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Okay, now we'll do Parivartit Parshkona, Utthit Parshkonasana. Again, look here. Again, you have to send your right leg back, 4.5 feet apart. Now bend your right leg at 90. Keep your hips back. Okay. Do not square your hips. No, you have to not turn to the right side. You have to keep your waist front. Okay, now bend your right knee at 90. You can place your right elbow on your right thigh and left arm over your head. And you have to look at your left palm. Stretch your left palm over your head. And then keep pushing your pelvis down and hold. 1. Ray, just push your hips more down. Your knees not at 90. Push. 1. Look at your left palm, which is over your head. 2. 3. Maintain your balance. 4. And 5. Exhale, look down, and then inhale, come up. Now left toe out and right toe in. Now bend your left knee at 90. Place your left elbow on your left knee or left thigh. And inhale, right arm over your head. Twist yourself. Open your heart, open your chest towards the right hand. Okay. Look at your right hand and hold. 1. सलोनी की ऐसे दिखे, ऐसे करना है. आपका हेड ऐसे है, ऐसे ट्विस्ट करिए हेड को. 2. Yes. 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, look down, inhale, come up and step front into Samasthiti. Now we have done the Utthit Parshkonasana. Now we will do Parivartit Parshkonasana. Again, send your right leg back 4.5 feet apart for revolved triangle Parshkonasana. Now bend your right leg at 90. Square your hips Bend your right leg at 90, square your hips. Inhale, both arms by the side. Exhale, twist yourself and place your left elbow on your right. So this is the position. Place your left elbow on your right knee. You have to make namaste. If you can grab your wrist behind your back, you can grab your wrist also. But you have to open your chest. If you cannot grab your hands, you can just make namaste like this. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. And change your side. Left toe out, right toe in. Left toe out, right in. Now bend your left leg at 90. Bend your left leg. Again, inhale, both arms by the side. Exhale, twist yourself to the left side. No. Greg, left side. Now you have to twist the opposite side. Right elbow on your left knee. Yes. Yes. And make namaste. Very good. And make namaste and keep pushing your pelvis down. It's important. If you will not push your pelvis down, then it means you are not doing correct. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, step back into Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Okay, now send your right leg back. Both feet front. Open your legs around 4 or 4.5 feet apart. Turn this side, everyone. Turn this side. Look at the camera. Both toes front. Your heel will slightly go out and your toes will in. Okay. Keep your both palms on your waist. And keep pressing your elbows closer to each other. Inhale, open your chest. Look up. And exhale, go forward from your hip joint. And place your palms down between your both legs. Like this. Inhale, look front, straight your both elbows. Do not lift your palm. Keep pressing your palm on the floor, look front. And exhale, bend your both elbows inside and touch your crown head on the mat if you can. If you cannot, it's okay. But just keep your spine straight. Do not curve your spine, because if you will curve your spine, you are damaging your spine. 1, go less, but do it properly. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your both elbows. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, release your palms down. Again, inhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, look up. Keep your pressing your elbows closer to each other. Press create. Rotate your shoulder blades inside. Now exhale, do not remove your palms from waist and just try to touch your forehead on your shin bone. Try to just keep breathing. When I say inhale, to inhale, and when I say exhale, so do exhale. Just try to push your both elbows more closer to each other. Do not release, do not lose your elbows. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3. Try to go more deep. 4 and 5. Inhale directly, come all the way up. And exhale, release your both palms. Now interlock your finger, interlace your finger behind your back. Turn your palms outward. Inhale, lift your chest up, look up. And exhale, go fully forward down. And again, try to touch your head on the floor. and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come up and exhale, release your fingers. Again, inhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Look up and exhale, go fully forward down. Now grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Inhale, look up, lengthen your spine, straight your elbows. And exhale, bend your both elbows and try to look between your both legs and touch your crown head. And hold for 5 seconds more. 1, bend your both elbows outside. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Exhale, keep your both palms on your waist. Inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, step front into Samasthiti. Shake your legs. Now we will do pyramid pose, Parshvottanasana. Now send your right leg back, 4 feet apart. Turn your right toe out and left toe in. Right toe out, left toe in. Square your hips properly. You have to square, keep your hips square. Make namaste behind your back. Make namaste behind your back. Open your chest. Now you have to inhale and open your chest. Look up and exhale. Go forward towards your right leg. Try to touch your belly on your thighs and forehead on your shin bone. Or you can touch your chin on your shin bone. And hold for 5 counts. 1, 2. Keep your hips more square. Do not keep your rotate your thighs, your left thigh inwards. Okay. Try to rotate your left thigh inward. 2, 3. Do not lose your elbows. Keep pressing your elbows backward. Okay. 3. Open your chest. Good. 4 and 5. Do not remove your hands. Inhale, come up. Turn towards the left side. Left toe out. Right toe in. And exhale, go forward towards the left leg. Again, touch your belly on your left thigh, chest on your knees, and chin on your shin bone. And hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. And step front into Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your hands, move your hands. Now we'll do some counter poses. We have done few poses today. Just remember the name of the poses and try to learn them. Okay, now just lay down on your back, on your mat. On your back. Yes. Now bend your both knees. Grab your ankles from your hands, palms, ankles. And inhale, lift your hips up for the bridge pose. Do counter pose properly. Exhale again, put your hips down. Inhale again, lift your hips up. Exhale again down. Inhale again, lift up and hold for 5 counts. 1, keep lifting your hips up. 2, push your belly towards the floor, towards the ceiling. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, put your hips down. Now place your both palms beside of your head, beside of your ear, and just lift yourself for wheel pose or Urdhva Dhanurasana. Lift yourself. Just try. If you cannot lift, you can just do bridge pose. If you cannot lift in wheel pose, you can just try to do bridge pose. Hold there for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Greg, it's good. You are trying. And 5 again. Put your hips down. One more round. We will do a wheel pose. Okay, again lift yourself. 5 counts more. If you cannot do, you can just try bridge pose. Who cannot do wheel pose, you can try bridge pose. 1, very nice. 2, keep lifting. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly down. Just sit in any comfortable pose you prefer for yourself. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Relax yourself for a few seconds. You have to not do shavasana. You have to just sit down in any comfortable pose. Keep your eyes closed and try to see whatever we have practiced today. Try to see it from your closed eyes. Remember our each and every part of our practice that we have tried today, the poses which we have done today. And just relax your whole body, relax your mind, relax your breath, relax your heartbeat. Wherever you are feeling pain right now, take your all focus there. If you are feeling pain on your back, lower back, if you are feeling pain on your legs, if you are feeling pain in your hands, just take your focus all there and try to remove that pain by your inhalation and exhalation. Now join your both palms together in front of your heart. Inhale, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we will chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti all together loud. Take a deep breath in. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now slowly bow down your head towards God and thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. Namaste to everyone. If you have any question, you can ask.
I have one question, please.
Yes, you can ask.
Thank you so much. In the rotate, the twisting triangle,
Okay,
and
yeah.
when you have your hand, when you're twisting to the right and you have the left hand on the ground and the right hand up, I was losing my balance. I wondered if you
Yes.
had, how do you keep the balance in this position?
See, it's a balance. I cannot tell you any trick or something to find the balance because you only find today's class was well. Thank you. Vijay. See, you cannot find the balance by your, if I say, you have to find by your own self. You have to just keep following and then try again, come back, again fall, again come back, and just then try to find your balance by your own. That will be more good.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
because balance is not any like pose or something that I can teach you. It's little bit hard to find balance in starting, but after regular practice, you will find your balance.
All right then. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Any more questions?
Dhanyavad, Jay. Thank you very much for helping me.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Namaste. See you guys
Namaste.
tomorrow.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome everybody.